Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing some basic terms regarding cardiac physiology. My name is Abhay Pathan, and let us begin. Cardiac volumes. So we have got two cardiac volumes, and diastolic volume and and systolic volume. Okay. So, as you can guess by the name, the volume of blood remaining in the left ventricle after diastole is called as the end diastolic volume. Okay, and it is basically amount of blood before systole. Okay, you can say it like that only, or the amount of blood when the contraction is starting to begin. Okay, and it is normally 120 ml of 120 ml. Okay, and coming to the systolic volume, volume of blood remaining in ventricle after systole. Okay, or it is basically amount of blood left in ventricle after contraction is done. Okay, and it is normally 50 ml of. Okay. Now coming to the stroke volume, ejection fraction, and cardiac output. So stroke volume is the amount of blood pushed by heart during one heartbeat. Okay. So it is basically EDV minus ESC, end diastolic volume minus the end systolic volume. It is basically the difference between the end diastolic volume and the systolic volume. So it will come out roughly to be 70 ml. Okay, 70 ml of blood. Okay, now ejection fraction of blood that is actually pumped by heart during one beat. Okay, and it is basically the um stroke volume stroke volume divided by the EDV, that is the end diastolic volume. Okay. Now, cardiac output. It is basically the volume of blood pumped by the heart during 1 minute. Okay, and it is the product of the stroke volume and the heart rate. Okay, and our heart beats 72 times per minute. Okay, so our cardiac output comes out roughly to be 5 liters, 5 liters of blood. Okay, now venous return and total peripheral resistance. So venous return is basically the amount of blood that is coming to the heart in 1 minute. Okay, and it is equal to the cardiac output in normal conditions. Okay, actually this venous return is not equal in pathological conditions, and it is very fatal to the person. Okay, now total peripheral resistance. So when the vessels they constrict, okay, it will increase the TPR. Okay, and when the vessels dilate, it will decrease the TPR. Okay, this statement is very important as it will help you in the later pharmacology videos. Okay, now mean arterial pressure. So mean arterial pressure is equal to the diastolic blood pressure plus 1 by 3 of the systolic minus diastolic BP. Okay. For example, if you take a normal BP, it is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. So mean arterial pressure is equal to 80 plus 1 by 3 of difference between the this BP 120 minus 80. So that comes out to be 93.3 mm of Hg. So guys, of all the terms that we have learned in this tutorial, the main term is the cardiac output. Okay, and it must rise to meet demands. Okay, so more cardiac output is equal to more work or oxygen required by the heart to pump the blood to the body. Okay, so cardiac output, as we all know, it is the heart rate times the stroke volume. Okay, so more beats per minute is equal to more work. Okay, and more volume per beat is it is also equal to more work. Okay, So so we have got only four factors that determine the cardiac output. These are the preload, afterload, contractility, and the heart rate. Okay. So remember this thing, guys. Whenever there is change in in these four factors, okay, it will drastically affect the cardiac output. Okay, and hence the work required by the heart will be more. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today, guys. And I will explain this four parameters in my next video. Okay, so till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching and bye. And remember to सब्सक्राइब कर जल्दी, ठीक है ना? सब्सक्राइब कर, ओके?